Before the roads, before the cities, there was freedom. An idea built this country, and working hands carried it forward. For 250 years, America's strength has been built on hard work, the freedom to speak your mind, to stand your ground, and protect the ones you love. To live by faith and work with purpose. To earn an honest day's pay and build something that lasts. From fields to cities, from sunrise to long after sunset. IronBull is built for the people who carry America forward. 250 years of freedom built on strength. IronBull 250 edition, built tough, proud, and in celebration of your American story.